Hello, it is a chilly Tuesday, November 4th here in Roscoe, Illinois. It is 9:59 a.m. and in about 45 seconds or so, you're going to see what happens every Tuesday, first Tuesday of the month here in Roscoe, rain or shine. And that's going to be one of the indicators of what we have to deal with when we live here. So far from New York. Anyway, we've got, 15 seconds. So sit back and relax. And other than the dog, enjoy the tones, the dulcet tones that is, of the Roscoe Tornado Warning System. Here it goes. From over there, from over there, from over there. Isn't it lovely? The reason they seem to be getting softer and louder is because the sirens actually revolve on their little poles. Well, not so little. Now I'm speaking in a regular tone of voice, not too loud, not too soft, so you can imagine how fucking loud these things really are. This has been a test of the Roscoe, Illinois Tornado Warning System. If this has been an actual tornado on its way, you should get your ass down to the basement, tuck yourself into the nearest corner, and hope to God there is still a house when it's all over. Ah, life in the Midwest. You gotta love it. Gotta love it. of it because there's no other choice. Hi.